What are common title issues in a total loss? When a vehicle is declared a total loss by an insurance company, several title issues can arise that impact the vehicle's future. Let's break down what these issues are and how they affect you. First, a major concern is the issuance of a salvage or branded title. If the cost to repair the vehicle exceeds a certain percentage of its value, often around 70%, it is considered not economically repairable. This leads to the vehicle receiving a salvage title, indicating it has been severely damaged. This branded title can significantly lower the vehicle's resale value and make it harder to insure. Next, after a total loss, the insurance company typically takes ownership of the vehicle. The title is transferred from the owner to the insurer. This transfer is crucial because the insurer pays the vehicle owner the actual cash value, minus any deductible. The insurance company then manages what happens to the damaged vehicle, often selling it to a salvage yard or recycler. If the vehicle is repaired and deemed roadworthy, it may receive a rebuilt or reconstructed title. This title shows that the vehicle was previously totaled but has passed inspections to confirm it meets safety standards. However, vehicles with rebuilt titles often face challenges. They may have higher insurance premiums, difficulty obtaining coverage, and lower market value. Another important aspect is how these titles affect insurance and resale. Vehicles with salvage or rebuilt titles can be harder to insure. Some insurance companies may refuse coverage or only offer limited policies. Reselling these vehicles can also be complicated. Buyers may be wary of the vehicle's history and potential hidden damages, which can reduce its marketability. Lastly, if you decide to keep a totaled vehicle, you must comply with state regulations regarding title branding and vehicle registration. Failing to obtain a salvage or rebuilt title properly can lead to fines or even vehicle impoundment. Understanding these title issues is essential because they influence the total loss settlement process and the vehicle's future use. Insurance companies base their total loss decisions on repair costs versus vehicle value, but title branding laws vary by state. This interplay affects the settlement offer, the vehicle's disposition, and your options after the claim.